Hey guys, this is Austin with MeasureSquare here, and in today's video we will be covering the different tools and functions from within the project page of our new CRM system. Whether it's a set of plans or just an email or two, there is always some type of information associated with the given project. The project page helps to consolidate every last bit of project information into one unified location for easy access, organization, and distribution. This consolidation enables you to manage every facet of your individual project from start to finish using only one page. This system virtually eliminates the process of searching through emails and file folders to find your project documents. Everything will be stored right in MeasureSquare CRM. At a glance, the project page gives us basic job information viewed on the left-hand side. It includes the stage the job is currently in, the pipeline, and some more information as well. These stages are completely customizable and are tracked visually on our project pipeline, which is essentially the home screen for the CRM. There's really a lot to go over on this page, so we've included another video in the question mark at the bottom right corner of your window. For now, let's go back to the project page. On the left is where we store any information related to the project, such as the dollar amount, where the project is located physically, where the project is in relation to the stage of completion, and any people or custom fields. The center displays the history or log of any changes made to the documents, notes for collaboration, or tasks assigned or completed. On the right is where we store all documents associated with the project. Typically, all of this information on the left is entered during the creation of a new project, but it can also be edited here from the project screen as well, using the Edit button. The first contact or company listed will automatically fill into any documents you create, though more can be included in this column if you have multiple GCs involved, or if you need to add any more contacts or companies to the project for any reason. Towards the bottom of this section, you have the option to add custom fields so you can record any additional information that you like. Let's say your company works on a large hospital or college campus throughout the year. You could create a field for building or room number and track that information right on your project page. In the center of the screen, we display a lot of our history logs and tracking tools. The timeline will show changes as they happen, letting you know who made the changes and when. Notes can be left for team members or for a self-reminder, and photos and files can be attached for safekeeping. Just to go a little deeper into some of these, the email tracking feature integrates directly with Outlook and Gmail and automatically tracks any emails sent from MeasureSquare CRM in regards to this project. We also have the product menu in here, which is a strong tool that shows the products and pricing estimated in your diagram, with the added ability to set expiration dates for any pricing you receive. The product menu can also be used to send and track pricing requests automatically. All you need to do is check off the items you would like to request pricing for, and our email integration will send them directly from your Outlook or Gmail account and track the communication here in the email section. The Tasks section can be used to assign tasks to yourself or your team members, which provides a source of documented employee accountability for job-related tasks. The Tasks feature also allows employees to self-organize across many projects, or within one large project. This process will be covered in a separate video, which can be found by clicking the blue question mark on the bottom right corner of the screen. The Schedule of Values is a powerful module which automates the process of AIA-style progress billing. The left-hand column houses all of our project documents, from when we first import our diagram to when we send out our final bids and invoices. Throughout your use of the CRM, it's important to understand the flow of data. This all starts from the top of your document panel with the diagram. The diagram will be the source of data for all other documents listed here. It will also be your source of data for the products menu in the center of the screen. Once your estimating team has completed their diagram, the quantity and pricing data from that diagram will fuel the rest of the project without any additional user input. For this reason, it is important that your diagram is correct or close to it in terms of product quantities and pricing. This will ensure that your document creation flows smoothly throughout the project. These documents are all fairly common in the construction industry, so we won't go too deep into each of them during this video. The important thing to note is that these documents can be created completely from your diagram's data, with no additional input. It is also worth noting that you can customize each of these document names within the settings. So for example, if instead of quote you wanted to call these documents your estimate, or change a purchase order to sales order, that's no problem. Our other documents, much like our diagrams, play well together. When a work order is created and an installer is assigned, a schedule will be created along with it automatically. At MeasureSquare, we're big on saving as much time as possible. Let me know in the comments down below what you do at your company to help save on time. That's all for now, and thanks for watching. Remember to hit your favorite buttons down below, and I'll see you in the next one.